of the Harbor Freight Demolition Hammer Kit. It runs about $400 with tax. You're not able to use a coupon for this, so when you go in there with your 20% off coupon, they're going to say, nope, read the fine print. And the Bauer or Bauer brand is not allowed to do that. So bear with me with the animals here. Just a quick review of how this works on the concrete. Very simple to use. Obviously wear ear protection, eye protection, and shoe protection. Avoid my shoes because I don't have that right now, but we've been very thrilled with it, and clearing out a concrete area here. Took about an hour today, but we have really loved the tool. Kind of show you how it works.